Hi everybody, it's Thomas here from Thomas Fitzgerald Photography. Welcome back to the channel, and today we have another Lightroom quick tip. So today we've got a quick little workflow tip for you. So say you have an image like this and you've been editing it, you've done some things like you've cropped it and you've maybe applied some geometry correction, and while you've been working away editing, you're thinking to yourself, I like what I've done, but I kind of want to go back and start again. So the obvious thing to do here would be to hit the reset button. But if you hit the reset button, like so, what you can see, what happens is it resets everything, including your crop and your geometry correction. So wouldn't it be great if there was a way to reset just your adjustments and not actually touch the crop or some of the other things that you might not want to reset, like upright and maybe something like the color profiles? Well, it's actually really straightforward. All you have to do is make a zero adjustments preset. So let me just undo this. Okay, so to do this, all you have to do is, first of all, you need to go to an image that hasn't had anything done to it. So I'm going to go over here. So this is basically just the same image. I actually have reset it. And without making any adjustments whatsoever, you want to create a new preset. So create preset, like so, and we want to check all on, like so, and we're going to put this in, for the moment, we're going to put this in our user presets. Okay, so what we want to do is, with everything checked on, we're going to turn off a few things, and what that will mean is they won't be saved by the preset. So we're going to turn off treatment and profile, because you probably don't want to reset that. And we're also going to turn off transform, and we're going to turn off, actually there is no crop because crop isn't saved as part of a preset, so we don't need to turn that off. But again, lens corrections, we're going to turn that off as well. Sharpening, you may have adjusted your sharpening and you might want to reset that, so we're going to leave that on. And calibration, again, it's something that you probably don't want to reset, but it's up to you whether it's something you use or not. So in this case, I'm going to turn this off as well because I don't want to reset that. And high dynamic range, actually no, I do want to reset that. Okay, so basically turn off the things that you will not want to reset. Okay, and all you have to do is call this zero adjustments. But a little trick here is, if you put two minus symbols in front of it, it will make sure it goes to the top of whatever group you've saved it in. So we're going to call this zero adjustments, and I'm just going to hit create. Okay, so you can see if we look over here in user presets, we have zero adjustments, and because I put the two dashes at the start, it's gone to the top. To make this easier to find as well, I can just right click on this and go add to favorites, and you now see it's up here in our favorites. So now if I go back to this other image that we were working on, and I want to reset all the adjustments I've made, but I don't want to reset the crop or the geometry, I just hit zero adjustments. Et voila, and we have that problem sorted. You can create, I have two different versions of this. As you can see, there's one here already called zero all. This resets the geometry as well, but doesn't reset the crop. And again, you can create multiple versions of this, but I find having this zero adjustments is really handy. And if you add it to your favorites, it's always going to be at the top of your presets panel. So there you have it. I think we have a record for our quick tips being super quick. I hope you found this useful. I have a playlist now of all of the Lightroom quick tips that I've been working on. You will find that linked in the description below and at the end of the video. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.